What if A380 did not exist? A380 is the largest and one of the most iconic commercial airplane. Emirates is the largest operator of A380, so if it doesn't exist, Emirates would mostly buy another airplanes like A340. There are many disadvantages and advantages if A380 did not exist. Watch till the end to see the most important disadvantage. Firstly, disadvantages. 1. Reduced airport capacity. The A380's large capacity helps reduce congestion at busy airports. 2. Increased carbon emissions. The A380 is one of the most fuel-efficient large commercial aircraft, so using another less efficient airplanes would increase carbon emissions. 3. Higher operating costs. Airlines might have had to operate more frequent flights with smaller aircraft. 4. Limited route development. The A380's range and capacity enabled airlines to open new routes and increase frequencies. Advantages. 1. Reduced noise pollution. The A380 is a large aircraft that generates significant noise. 2. Lower infrastructure costs. Airports might not have had to invest in upgrading their infrastructure to accommodate the A380. The most important disadvantage. Economic impact. The A380 program supported thousands of jobs, from manufacturing to maintenance, and its absence could have had significant economic implications for the regions involved in its production, impacting local communities and economies.